Ciao Tesla people, I got a notification that there is a software update and it's the 2024.45.32.2 is just bug fixes. It's actually downloading right now. Let's do minor fixes. It says minor fixes improvements, so we have to wait maybe a couple of days to see if there are any undocumented changes. And also I will test the bug that I found several months ago that is still not being fixed. So I'll do the download. I'll get back when the download is finished and I will start the installation. Okay, so I'll see you in a second. So download is done. Let me put you here. I'll start this time from the phone, the installation, and let's do this, and that's it. And then when here, you type here so you can just skip 2 minutes of waiting, and it starts. The installation starts. Let's see how long it takes. It's 11:14, so it should take like 25 minutes probably, because it's just bug fixes. So I'm not sure there will be any new features. In any case, I will check as soon as the installation is done if there are new features, and then in the next days I will check the internet to see if people found some undocumented changes. Usually there are one or two, a list of undocumented changes, because they are fixing bugs, right? So there'll be something to figure out. And then I'll do another video to test if the bug that I found several months ago, I did several videos, is been fixed. In the meantime, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel, and comment in comment section. Okay, so I'll see you when the installation is done, and we'll go over any changes if there are any. Okay, so I'll see you in a bit. So installation is done. It tells me that there is just minor fixes. Okay, we know that. Let's go back to the software installation here. So no changes here. It's the 2024.45.32.2. Let me check if there are any blue dots here. I don't have any. In the main menu, no blue dots. Okay, if there are any changes, usually there is a blue dots if there is a new app or a change in one particular sub-menu or menu. In this case, there are no changes. Okay, so I will check in the coming few days if there are any undocumented changes, and then I will make a video. So for now, everything is all set. It took like 25 minutes, probably a bit more, 30 minutes to install, and that's it. So please check out my Tesla referral. If you buy a Tesla, you can get up to $1,000 or 500 euros discount. The new Model Y is coming out, so check it out. And please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications, share it, and I'll see you on next video. Ciao Tesla people.